Hello everybody, this is a quick instructional video as an introduction to OCR technology. OCR technology stands for Optical Character Recognition. What that means is that you can take an image of text and then you can download that text into an actual workable document. Now that doesn't make very much sense now, having heard say that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick demonstration of what I mean. I'm using Google Drive and Google Docs today. They are online because we have the resources to do what we need to do. So therefore, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, so I am going to take a document image, in this case the first page of the book The Wind in the Willows, and I'm going to open it using Google Docs. And then I'm going to show you what happens. Now it often takes the document a little while to open because in the background is some technology that is going to convert the document. So what we have here is we have the embedded image of the first page, The Wind in the Willows, chapter 1. It's a really good book if you get a chance to have a read. And then underneath what we have is we have the text transcribed within the actual document. So that means what we have is we have the optical character recognition technology has recognized that on this page that there is text and has transcribed that text straight onto the document of the Google Doc. The document now is fully editable. Students can use that document perhaps for longer referencing, for using quotation from books that they do not have electronic copies of. Staff perhaps could use it when it comes to note-taking or trying to adapt resources from slideshows and such. There's a lot of scope out there for what can be done, but what's good about this particular version of OCR technology is that Google Drive and Google Docs does it automatically. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to add anything into the program itself. It's simply, if you add an image to a Google Doc, it will come up with a transcription of the text of that image. Okay, thank you very much for listening. If you find this useful or if you have any questions, let me know at t.m.starkey@leeds.ac.uk. Cheers.